Alam niyo ba may mga kiliti mga halaman? Teka, hindi kiliti natatawa sila. Ang ibig ko sabihin is yung pinakagusto nilang paraan kung paano sila aalagaan. Tara guys, pakita ko sa inyo. This is Mammillaria nivosa, and if you're not familiar with it, it's also called the woolly nipple cactus. Nipple cactus kasi nga mammillaria siya. And woolly naman because it's supposed to have this cotton-like appearance. I wanted to bring out those cotton leaf features pero nahirapan talaga ako. So nag-experiment ako, binabad ko talaga siya sa araw at hindi ko siya dinidiligan na madalas, once a week lang. Nasa dry area siya madalas. By after a few months lang, nagpakitang gilas si lola mo. Lumaki siya talaga and yung spines niya lalong naging yellowish. Dumami yung pups and most of all yung cotton lumabas na and this time talaga mas maputi. Sabi ko, huli ka balbon, alam ko na kiliti mo. Now I'm just waiting for it to fruit. Kayo ba? Kaya niyo huliin ang kiliti ng plants nyo? Share your stories ha. Don't forget to follow Succulents Spikes for more plant care tips and kwentuhan. See ya!